Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone XR from AT&T so that you can use it on another carrier. So you may need to travel outside of your country and use the phone with another carrier, or you may just want to be able to have the freedom to choose whichever carrier and plan you want to use, so that you don't have to have the restriction of just using one carrier. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it. And also at the moment, this is the only way to unlock your iPhone XR from AT&T if you have a balance owed on it. Alright, so I'm going to have all the information and resources down below in the description to the tool that we're going to be using for this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and take out the SIM card first. So here's the SIM card. It's a AT&T SIM. Let's put it down. So I'm going to show you what happens really quickly when you put in a SIM card from another carrier. So I'm going to be putting in a T-Mobile SIM card to test it out. So automatically it's going to go straight to this activation screen. So you have to connect to Wi-Fi and then hit continue. And then after a few seconds, it's going to give us this message right here, SIM not supported. And that's because the phone is locked to AT&T and you can't use it on any other carrier unless if you unlock it. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. Let's go ahead and remove that T-Mobile SIM card. Let's put it down. So what we're going to be using to unlock it is this special white unlock chip. There's going to be a link down below in the description where you can get this. It's really simple. So all you're going to do is place it in the SIM card tray just like you would the SIM card that you want to use. Place it into the iPhone. Once again, it's going to take you here to the activation screen. You're going to go through the steps here and try and activate it. And once again, it is going to give us the SIM not supported message with the unlock chip. But now that we have the unlock chip in there, we're going to go ahead and unlock it. So we're going to press the power button, hold it, and the menu down here is going to come up. Touch emergency call. Okay, and then here in this screen, we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00#. Once you have that dialed in correctly, press the green dial button, and it's going to go straight to this menu right here that says Input ICCID. So here you have to put in the correct ICCID. We're going to have that down below in the description as well. The current one is 8901-41045974449. So once you have it completely typed in, go ahead and hit send. It's going to say done. Just hit accept. And once you hit accept, go ahead and power the phone off. Slide to power off. Once the phone is completely powered off, after a few seconds, go ahead and power it back on. Alright, so the phone powered on. We're going to go ahead and go through the activation steps here. Once again, hit continue. But now this time, since we have the unlock chip in there and we put in the correct ICCID, it's going to automatically unlock the phone and it will be unlocked to use it with any carrier. And there you go. So it activated the phone and it is now unlocked. So once you get to the home screen here, you can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. So I'm going to pull it out. Here's the unlock chip. Go ahead and pull that out. There you go. And let's put in the T-Mobile SIM once again. The T-Mobile SIM, let's put it in here. And give it a few seconds so that it can pick up signal. There you go, it's reading the signal over here. If we swipe down, it's going to say T-Mobile. There you go. So your phone, will be unlocked, and you'll be able to use it with any carrier after you do this. And everything is gonna work normally. Your, calls, text messages, data, everything will work normally. There we go. That is how you unlock your iPhone XR. So hope that video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.